Hi, I'm Parth Shukla. I'm currently working as an intern at ubAdvocate and I'm student of Faculty of Law, University of Allahabad. I'm making this video to discuss on the recent judgment of Supreme Court which mentions that sex work is not illegal if voluntary. Only running brothel is illegal. Also, I'll discuss in detail the six directions for safeguarding the rights of sex workers given by the three-judge bench of Supreme Court. In a significant order, the Supreme Court told the police that they should neither interfere nor take criminal action against consenting sex workers. It said that prostitution is a profession and sex workers are also entitled to dignity and equal protection under the law. A three-judge bench headed by Justice L. Nageshwar Rao issued six directions for safeguarding the rights of sex workers. The bench said, quoting that the sex workers are entitled to equal protection of the law. Criminal law must apply equally in all cases on the basis of age and consent. When it is clear that the sex worker is an adult and is participating with consent, the police must refrain from interfering or taking any criminal action. It need not to be gained that notwithstanding the profession, every individual in this country has the right to dignified life under Article 21 of the Constitution. The bench also ordered that sex workers should not be arrested, penalized, harassed, or victimized in raids in brothels since voluntary sex work is not illegal, only running the brothel is unlawful. The child of sex workers should not be separated from the mother merely on the ground that she is in the sex trade. The court noted that the basic protection of the human decency and dignity extends to sex workers and their children. Further, if a minor is found living in a brothel or with sex workers, it should not be presumed that the child was trafficked. The court also ordered the police not to discriminate against sex workers who lodge a complaint, especially if the offense is committed against them is of sexual nature. Sex workers were victims of sexual assault should be provided with every facility, including immediate medical and legal aid. The court said that the media should take utmost care to not reveal the identity of sex workers during arrest and rescue operations, whether as victims or accused, and not publish or telecast any photo that would result in disclosure of such identities. The bench also made it clear that the use of condoms should be not be construed by the police as evidence of offense by sex workers. The court also suggested that sex workers who are rescued and produced before a magistrate to be sent to correctional homes for no less than 2 to 3 years. Justice Rao was of the opinion that the concerned authorities cannot force sex workers to stay in correction shelters or homes against their will. The court asked the center to give its response to these recommendations on the next date of hearing. Thank you.